Good day and welcome to this tutorial where I am going to teach you the Shona language, and today we are going to cover counting and numbers. So let's get right in. What I'm going to do is we're going to count from number 1 to number 10 in Shona. So in Shona, number 1 is motsi, motsi. Then number 2 is piri, piri. Number 3 is natu, natu. Number 4 is china, china. Number 5 is shanu, shanu. Number 6 is tanatu, tanatu. 7 is nomwe, nomwe. 8 is sere, sere. 9 is pfumbamwe, pfumbamwe. And 10 is gumi, gumi. Okay, so now let's count together from 1 to 10 in Shona. Motsi, piri, tatu, china, shanu, tanatu, nomwe, sere, pfumbamwe, gumi. Well done. You can now count from 1 to 10 in Shona. Now let's keep on. Let's go to the next slide. Okay, now that we have done the count 1 to 10, let's add on to that and count from 11 to 20. So what you will see is 10 is gumi. So we are just adding the other numbers to gumi. So 11 is gumi plus 1. 12 is gumi plus 2. Okay, so it's easy once you know what 1 to 10 is to then add on to that and continue counting to 20. Okay, so let's go. 11 is gumi nerimwe, which means gumi plus 1. Number 12 is gumi nembiri, mbiri is 2. So gumi nembiri is 12. And gumi nenatu, gumi nena, gumi neshanu, gumi nenanatu, gumi nenomwe, gumi nesere, gumi nepfumbamwe. And when we get to 20, we say makumi maviri. Gumi is 1. When there are many, we say makumi. 20 is 10 by 2, which means it's more than 1 gumi, which is gumi is 10, but makumi is more. You have to say how many of makumi are you talking about. 20, we say makumi maviri. Now that you know how to count from 1 to 20, the progression we are going to do now is I'm not going to teach you from 21 to 30 or 31 to 40. You should be able to figure that out. What you just do is makumi maviri nerimwe, makumi maviri netatu, makumi maviri, like that, and you continue. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to teach you 30, 40, 50 up to 100. So let's start. 30 is makumi matatu, which means 30 multiplied by 10. Makumi matatu. 40 is makumi mana, makumi mana, which means 4 lots of 10s. Then 50 is makumi mashanu, makumi mashanu. 60 is makumi matanatu, makumi matanatu. 70 is makumi manomwe, makumi manomwe. 80 is makumi masere, makumi masere. 90 is makumi mapfumbamwe, makumi mapfumbamwe. And 100 is zana, zana. So zana is 100. The next progression we are going to do is from 100 to 1000. So we know that 100 is zana. So now we're just counting now to say how many hundreds are you talking about. So 200 is mazana maviri. 300 is mazana matatu. 400 is mazana mana. 500 is mazana mashanu. 600 is mazana matanatu. 700 is mazana manomwe. 800 is mazana masere. 900 is mazana mapfumbamwe. And 1000 is churu, churu. How do we then count 1000, 2000, and so on and so on? 1000 is called churu. When there are many, they are called zuru. So from 2000 going upwards, we say zuru. But you have to say how many zuru. 2000 will be zuru, zviviri, zuru, zviviri. Zviuru zvitatu, which is 3,000. Zviuru zvina, which is 4,000. Zviuru zvishanu, which is 5,000. You might be asking yourself, how do we know that when it's zviuru, we say zviviri, but when it's 100, we say mazana, maviri? In future advanced tutorials, I'm going to teach you what we call mupanda. So mupanda, this is part of the grammar on how to build these sentences. So I'm going to go deep into that. But in the meantime, just take it on face value when I'm showing you that zviuru, zviviri, mazana, mana. Because the stem and the prefix, they determine what the prefix of the next letter will be based on mupanda, which I'm going to teach you as well. How do you say in Shona 5,425? Okay, can you try it on your own and then let's do it together? Okay, so 5,425 in Shona, you say zviuru zvishanu nemazana mana nemakumi maviri nemashanu. Can you try that again? Zviuru zvishanu nemazana mana nemakumi maviri nemashanu. So that's 5,425 in Shona. Thank you so much for taking your time to listen to this tutorial. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are so many other lessons that I'm going to posting on this channel. If you have any questions or specific things that you want me to cover, please feel free, comment down below and let me know, then I will do it for you. Thank you.